Hello guys, welcome in my video. Today in this video I will tell you about the PSW registers. So as before I have tell you the names and the working of 14 registers that can be used in MASM assembly language. So now I am going to explain one of those registers, that is PSW registers. So let's begin our today lecture number 4, that is on PSW register. So let's start. First of all, what is PSW register? PSW is a type of registers used in assembly language. It stands for Program Status Word Register. It consists of different 8 bits that perform different functionality. In this lecture we will also discuss these different 8 bits to discuss this functionality. You can also use some keywords to remember these 8 bits. Like you can make a small word by using the first letter of these bits. Well, I used to remember as COPDZIAS. You can also use this word by rearranging these letters. So let's discuss these 8 bits and their working. So first one is carry bit, second overflow bit, then parity bit, direction bit, 0 bit, interrupt bit, auxiliary bit, sign bit at last. So let's discuss the working of these bits, what these bits do in assembly language. Carry bit is used to store the carry when adding two binary numbers. Basically, while adding two binary numbers, we have to move a carry to the next numbers. So here carry bit is used to store this carry while addition of two binary numbers. And after that, overflow bit and unexpected result of binary sum or negation is stored here. Mostly unexpected results come in negation. You can say that while subtracting too much lower values, that is, you can say that in the form of 0.000000 something. In this case, overflow bit is used to store the unexpected result. And then we have a parity bit. It is used to store the number of ones in a binary message. Here a binary message means that a binary number that we have in the form of 0 1 2 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, and it will store the number of ones available in this whole binary number. And after that we have a direction bit. Direction bit is used to store the direction of data of memory array in memory. It's mean that data is stored in upward form, downward form in the memory. You can say that push and pop and read write of array. And after that we are having a 0 bit. This bit is used to store the zeros of program result. If we are having an addition or a subtraction of two numbers, and we are having a result 0, then this result 0 is stored in 0 bit. Interrupt bit. Interrupt bit is used to store interruption during execution of program. So here a question come in our mind: what is interruption? Interruption, for example, while doing programming in C++, we make a little interruption in programming execution by using goto statement. With the use of goto statement, we jump the control to another part of the program. That's like goto statement. And else another statements like performing division, there can be an interruption in the program. How interruption come in while division, I will show you while doing coding in our upcoming videos. and after that we are having auxiliary bit. Auxiliary bit is used to store the carry of hexadecimal number. In addition, we can say that while adding hexadecimal numbers, the carry is stored in auxiliary bit. Then at last we are having signed bit. So what is the use of signed bit? It is used to store the sign of binary numbers. Sign of binary numbers, you can say that most significant bit of binary numbers. So that's all today our lectures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.